Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service to Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the flat tire indicator on a Mercedes Vito 2019. When we start the car, the indicator doesn't go away, so I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that for yourself. You don't need a diagnostic tool, just manually, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Before we start, our YouTube channel is Service to Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel. I have more than 250 other videos on different model cars, on how to reset them, or some tips and tricks. And if you like, you can watch them all on my channel. So let's start with this one. Okay, turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, and then you have to go through the menu. Go to the main menu by pressing the return button. Once you are here, use the right arrow button to go to the surface area over here. Once you are here, you see the third one of the menu is tire pressure. Use the arrow down buttons to go over there. Confirm with the OK button. Once you are here, you see an arrow down like this. Use the arrow down button and use current pressure as new reference values, and it says confirm with OK, like this. Just confirm with OK. Once you have that, restart that, you can check it, and as you can see, the indicator for the tire pressure is also gone now. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you. Thanks for watching the video, and hope to see you next time with another video. Take care. Bye bye.